In this video, I'm going to show you how to get credits fast in Brawl Stars. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now without further ado, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead activate Brawl Pass. So Brawl Stars operates on a seasonal system with new seasons starting on the first Thursday of each month. The Brawl Pass is by far the most effective way to earn credits. The second thing is star drops. While not the most consistent method, star drops offer a chance to earn additional credits, with each with its own chance of dropping. Rare is 50%, super rare 28%, epic 15%, mythic 5%, legendary is 2%. So there is also mastery tier. Each brawler has a unique mastery point system which you can advance by winning matches in Trophy Road, ranked matches and others. So conclusion, maximizing your credits in Brawl Stars is the key to unlocking new brawlers and progressing quickly. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.